then ubedi assemblyman Ghana for the tuauka ubeye MP ubeye minister ubeye vice president ubeye caretaker president ubeye all the presidents in Ghana na show sa nanka anybody kura no go be protecting the sanctity of Ghana and your president Mahama e dey biem na Ghana for nyama sebi preduasan dey na Ghana for nyama wo say dey Ghana beshi onim dey amokeka NDC party no munim dey amokeka what you say na mudi ana mufuza mu ye mema sa that deluded mentality na mu wo madwini mu na mo sorry mo kasa mo boso se Ghana majority na parliament and electoral commissioner di yeti kroma na amalata mo kofa no ba be electoral commissioner amalata ebe declare dubious elections in 2012. It was proven at the Supreme Court. What you say ye no kroma and simhunu ye to about Ghana hanuma President Mahama President Mills onya 20,000 votes Akufo-Addo sorry twintuo atweaba say onu no onte ase no be demonstration kuma. He was having that power and Akufo the whole country powers were with them 2008 oti so be sorry ko di nsehunu bi aya na mo adwere ya mosere mo dia mo pa mo try me dia minim say Ghana no adwo obi akodi ni bro nya say Kumasi ya me ba bia me wo me krom ni ba bia me wo me nti say me krom asante achima gogo ha obi asore say obi kura nti say abato obi kura ekoso mo tinkan na mo keka nsehunu na wo ya NDC supporter na obedi Mahama echi a o ko ni fie o to afiri ni fie wo cantonment o kon bullion vans e no no de sasa gold o de sasa gold ko ni fie ni sika no de ko ni fie o de ase na wo ye fu soja na e be ma 500 cedis na because ko di sa recklessness we echi a it's up to you Ghana ye nyina ye dia na ka ye ka se o mu di akon e wo Ghana ha me nananom e na chichira santeman o de ase me nananom ne di akon eji akon di asantemasi ho anka ya no de sanka ne anka ye warlords anka ye sorry se ne ye sorry ne ase ye ji twiridi ni mabu na wa asantemamu adi twiridi a so hu numbers e bae numbers e fra asante region bae ye wo followers papa me ameti akwasiampani amubu me zame nyobia me wo followers na se ye se nya Ghana ho do ne ye pe e na anka 2012 ye se ye nso ye declare say ye mabu na wa asantemamu nyina sorry nanka wo Mahama nanka obenya baabi agina anka wa ban no ka obenya baabi agina we tolerated you we formed Let My Vote Count Alliance and we did everything legitimately to fight you in a legal way legal channels and everything ye we ase kra ye la demonstrations voter registrar na nyew uswa the military and the police and I will share NDC for atade o party for atade no mba buru yen mudi koboko aburu ye tutie gas aburu yen yet we didn't yanya bibia and destroy the sovereignty of Ghana. We didn't do anything to destroy the democracy that we protected for. Now we say that we say wako tuaba na we luswa we say that o ontiasie now be ma Ghana ye ungovernable aya na ho ye misiri hwe secret aye nim fam ho ene nneoma aye nim no sabudi agura and somebody be too done and people are restraining ourselves. Somebody monim so mampeni that Rollins he confided in me in a lot of things. Someone said nyoma bi wo ho amiminim na mo de mo try Akufo-Addo wawini. He is the sitting president and the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Mubedi nchine boto enchine boto mubedi gari boto na mo de mo pa mo try na wo de say obi fiande boys bi ntra radio so Kevin Taylor oye bema Kevin Taylor so ye bema pa so ye bema America ho no tim omra Ghana ha no me sa dede no ye no radio no so ade ase enne sa ansem fun a boys bi sorry anoma kontra radio so dede o mampani atem. This time round we are not going to sit down for any idiot to be attacking the president of Ghana because Mahama no kra mubu no Mahama kra mubu no na Akufo-Addo Mahama no kra mubu no na Akufo-Addo bra wa po sebi Ghana sika na busuafo say na mustida Ghana sika so ono ane papa chocho muto ne nananom mienu mo sori anu de musa ko shemboto makoyi Ghana cedi na mo de koto aduane adi uhwe sika no so a na busuafo say na da so no no kura mo so mo obra na Mahama die Adama Mahama ba eno abobra kwa me nkroma ko fa ne free baabi oba ya obetena ha na obe ono kura na wabobra on de mo ginidi mo respect no Say if you don't want to respect Akufo-Addo, nobody will respect John Dramani Mahama in this country. Say Muslim Mubabe a polarized country. Ghana for at least Akufo-Addo, Nani Monyam or Kwabrochi Memo international community, they respect him. They give him the high authority. Onko jina baby, Emma front page newspaper and kaso akodi sika bi mutwa. Mahama nye de hia ni o. Base for show. Base for show. Now this international community no omo ti ho no. Omo do huro manim koso wrong. Base for show. You have a lot to answer. Whether audio pa ye mema sem na ye wadwene se obema hwinta si wo Ghana ha. Anka obenu me enyoma ma site wo US embassy ni British embassy ni American embassy ni nyoma ekoso international community no. Ka onim kura ka me ne wo anka me jai kura kope ba bia tena. Adwene me ho din. Se bia di be ye kokofo a na oka ne to bude. Wakodi afemfem dia me ye pe wache Mahama. Na wo se de wo de si kire ba besra wo. Koso now continue to be sitting on Asian platitudes. Now continue to be stoking fires and making sure say the hard-on democracy of Ghana you are fighting for. Now penny for to building democracy ama Ghana be de also ba be destroy Ghana democracy. You are joking. Ono NDC for more advice mo. After what? Enye sika die na mo ba be pedi. Bebreba amoni abri ase edu nketi ahye batakaria yi enye sika die basa krono bo eni nsem hu na mo pese mba yusu Ghana de na ye meton box site mfama ye nuan ne ye nchichire Ghana sika mfama Slay Queens ne mfama ehunwom ehu hia na Ghana fo nkoda sum onyame se o mane sada. Elections were held in this country. Legitimate president has been voted for. In the people of Ghana have accepted Akufo-Addo as the president of the Republic of Ghana. If you don't like it, and if you have an issue with him, Mr. President, former president, you can go to court. Nobody have a problem with you. Because Akufo-Addo did the same. It's the same. Supreme Court, Obiankasa, Akufo-Addo accepted the results. As one can say, I disagree, but I accepted because Ghana must move forward. Sometimes now no grow for sebi. Kronobo anamobo krumwa. Ghana fo nya akoma tolerate wu. Ghana fo nya akoma tolerate wu. Hwe. Na wi aba be ka se dey. Wo be ka se dey. 2012 na abufu ana wo Ghana fo mu na woni mabufu no na abufu no wo Mahama na wo betima gina no. 2012 abufu ana wo Ghana fo anim no na wo Mahama. Me afa na me fra kurase o. Because me kro me kurase. Bebo me afa na me pie kromu a matete nsamfu bi a mo keka. Wo no wasi edu nketia. Na yenso ye ne mo yeso ye betwe ano. Ni anu de sie ni pa ye betwe ano mrante no yesu di agufu yesu entwe ma mo se mo bedidi atamo na mo fa mo ho adi mo kansem hunu mo se mo ye mema mo tinsi krom na mo tinsi krom se de mo kanse mo pese mo ye mema pa mo boss in between your legs mo tinsi krom na mo hwedi ebesi se mra okrom ana se mra no krom a ka wo beti mo samia se power bi wo baby what you say. Nobody will tolerate that nonsense. Enra na nanu Akufo-Addo ekoto aba na polling station bi etimi no 270 ni abeka 270 ni 270 na Mahama oti Jubilee House no ahye white na na ebisa atati na wo sere unu mabufu a wo hye Ghana fo ewi a kire na sa ne o mafsam fum we koso ina na Ghana fo ye dasum ni ye dasum kabi ni ye manko school free ni abusuafo bre na ye enuanom nya adwuma nye eso Ghana fo nya akoma MPP amanyokuo multitudes of supporters across the country enya akoma enum suo twen ope ema omamu fu tantan no koso ema Ghana fo twen ya 2016 ene yetuwo Mahama oso ye bema oso ye bema fa court na fa evidence awo nyina fa court Supreme Court ye nananom judge fo ye jomudi yenim say omunim be omunim nyansa and they know what is right and what is wrong for this country. It is also a dinkunimo fa court. You don't sit there and display your incompetence as usual. Incompetence. Now Ghana no wouldn't baby a Ghana free about do baby do. Now do we need John Mahama to destroy our democracy? We need John Mahama to come and destroy our democracy for us. Baby a Ghana free baby do Kwame Nkrumah Ghana. J. Kufuor Saberi Makufidi Wu Ghana. Jerry John Rawlings Ghana. Atamils Ghana. Na ye hiya Akufo-Addo Ghana. Near him, Mahama say Mahama never destroy the democracy because worry. Yakwa about to amana report. Sikadoso Puamutiama, Electoral Commission official say, Omon spoil ballots. Spoil ballots on Kwa alone. Opa check around Ashanti region. It's almost about 300,000-200,000. So vote to look at the count, and a number of people only agree because MPC be blind. Omejuma. Say Kasanko for your madness on Betwaba and Kaumahama and Kaujan. And then when your legs to stand on, as you trust a big Ghana for when someone accept the results. Who accept here? Obian found Obian found Opekura no Kasa who accept the results. Ube shipu and ye be chawim and ye wakuma betiato yim. Because you are misleading people who doesn't even know her results cry boy. Now me work class in NDC for your boy Kufuado dia who names Kufuado dia does mama. They are so them because why indoctrinating followers to believe say. Now President Rawlings has some catch them in my GD. This I swear to God and I swear on my life as my President Rawlings catch him say Mukuta agenda. Now my agenda Mukuta was just 2024. President Mahama want to stand on something to let his supporters believe say 2024 on one the only candidate. Mo amoye comrades amoye party ni mo amoye cadres. Mo sha say sorry na mo kasa nchire no say this it takes an irresponsible leader to behave as such. It takes an irresponsible leader. Cadres amoye mo de mo moja fight ya munya NDC ni si ho. You shouldn't allow a mediocre Mahama to be misleading you and misleading the NDC to a certain level. You shouldn't allow that. You should tell him in his face, say he's a failure, just like a ambassador. A friend is Ambassador Victor Gweho. He said one of the men that I respect in NDC should start telling him in the face. Say because na mama nyesika we ani sika baby ba krono obo ya wenye sika baby ba and kono betima ba lead the NDC at this time. Na Joshua Labinum, distinguished people like Joshua Labinum, any your friend says Spio Gabra, fine politician. Spio Gabra. Any your friend say Haruna Idrisu, I'm disappointed in you. Haruna Idrisu, you follow this recklessness. Meanwhile, you have a presidential year, Ghana for Pewasem. In the near future, Bian, you can come and lead your own party. What you want to do, the Mahama recklessness we achieve. Look at how the man has conducted himself. He will not follow this recklessness. Agbangbabin will not follow this recklessness because he knows that the guy that he nurtured, Mahama Ebabe Mahama in politics in aye abankisman sumani babu take it from me. Osume pana me catch them. Secret minimum. Of course, standing the first time 1996 Ubole Bamboy. Mumusa say why the choir campaign man. A case for Agban Sumani Babi. And now he do also some funso because a useless adventure. What I say? More mudina china Mahama cohorts because young boys on Casa Radio, so we did Kevin Taylor, no many useless boys on Casina, Cacron BDT. Mopa Mumi in I am got Trabonti. Now, so a Kufuado, why you know Bianco Trabon near your combating. Here will be a common you, Yananum do cuckoo. Yanana, your papa no bobra, your bush and four bobra, into your own train. See a Trabon things a politics with or without politics, so your own train da. Into comedy bread and a binumudi din some fool gruma. A common bread and a Kofobi Pesa Ghana Dani Butu. Yan Transi Mansing Fools Uncles. What you say? Intino Moka 1,000, Yebeka 1,000. Moya Madrid is a Mumabuno, ya no ya respecting authorities. And a Kufuad or democracy. What you say? Or democracy dintina 2012 wouldn't some fool a Kofa Israeli for be a Masaji figures who coma a change ya. Yan two about Ghana Hama presidential. A parliamentary number of votes, a also chair presidential votes. Ejitum 27-0. Yajitum, Yadi Yajuma, Yakasi about formal let my vote count alliance. And only the legitimate way to fight and make sure say every vote counts. Yeah, symposiums, yeah, rallies, yeah, forums. We fought the status quo, legal means and without any lawlessness in this country. Who bomb dog? Say Mahama say on Tiasiena, Yen Shasi and call round. Now intelligence are made it in. I hope it's not true. I hope it's not true. Because you don't get your Kebechin is Akokoba. Upon try. Now who was you don't get your way down Marco Canada? So about because mayhem or Ghana and the Kufuado watch. Come on, Kaubano or Canada, no than Kebako Chino de Naba. No be answer. Kagri ho, baby, our resident. Kaubani Kebako Chino de Naba. Muka Mukana Waku could do for Me, I don't give a hoot about you. And I mess me nam no maboa me ho. Anybody obe try me. Obe nu no ho. Media se maka cho media me minimum modus operandi. Na media mon try anybody. Me na make cho before God the man. Anybody who will try anything. Obe nu no ho. Hwe na Ghana aye metra no na amamu papa ekoso nkwara millions of kids are going to school free, including NDC for monim tantan am sorry amudi atem on radio so e kan se mu mabusuafo nyina benefit free SHS akwan Akufo-Addo yi wabusuafo benefit a lot of social intervention na sabi kumase yonko e be ye me ameye wontim ene woni abre ahoya ni kunsun ne pesemin kunya ni nyindie ntraso ne kotonkra ne ahyemabrabo mu semama mu mabrabo krenko yi mu hwemo anim bi omo de tetetewa utu se sankrofo yi mu no ahoya eni o man fata wontimi nye obi ba be yeso yi problem Akufo-Addo mo se oni mampeni da ese edu nketia mo na mo kaaye mo se Ghana no so pa konwa ni bia onko chebi ni enkosin bi yakosin akonwa ni bi di abre no oteso akonwa no yakosin abre no nana teso nana di wuhini nana misi di wuhini nana di wuhini koso adi wuhini nana obedi wuhini ama nyankopon beto pon watamfo anim apim beto to betum na apim beto to nifa na wani wa keke na de be hu sa farasifo ne misrimfo ya omutuwi misrimfo ya hu ni o chance se hu obiom ase odun ketia ne nkofo de kasatenten ofoso ampofo no ofoso ampofo okọ kansem ehu a edi eboni no ye ne bebre Ghana wanya the shenanigans so wanya batontu court na don't blame anybody udi ase MPP for so ye kan ho bi en mo je jankrofo afom ho adi na nkankofo e ba na nke cheli o mo nkofo adi double salary e wa abamu adi double salary o mo ti abamu parliamentarians o mo tete hoyi majority of them double salary o ti abamu it is against the laws of this country. It is against the laws of this country. Go for mo tete parliament no when de kasa na kaye na kia so mo nyina akogumu a anko mo benya no bia benya bia begina be kekansi hu corruption e cause wo NDC agamamu nanka enei kaye ba ba mu yetimi chichi sankrofo emgumu a anka ne komo wadaje begina benya da shenanigans e benya se Ghana ya to aba no mahama no ankasa Queiroz Gavayo Airbus scandal left right center government official one from Mahama to the last man in NDC and then these people have got the effrontery and you might be so in Brazil any other countries who call China any other countries where the ecoso then central for so musumudi home phobia so the norm there yamu almost munya papa NDC for say ye nanka corruption ye betra radio so TV so ne kan wasem and nanka mu interrogating the matter on the status quo from a journalistic point of view obi anka so unbiased argument and amuma ye hu no kure wo mu na nka mo kan ya enkene nkofo ko mu o jail amankene o just a media being the fourth estate of the realm dealing with any idiot who will deal with anybody me also empa me wa bem na say de bia ban we ni so na say me disika na say media no be kan no kure no say me disika ye mfa me kotumu I don't have any problem. That is how we run a country. Na nkofo we say da meka say when you have a society power eba kodi nkrophobia o man nan so da yeso mbenya power no mu use power then amass wealth it becomes so dangerous for society and the example typical example is Mahama. You understand? And we will not sit down and allow this useless line of democracy. If you say anytime biano who say dan ye to trafo na ye de any nim de ye betima ye Ghana and na ye de nobody owns the key. Nobody owns the key to lawlessness. Sebi me na na bi na kan say intesukoko wo ye obi anum o ye jati fita intesukoko wo obi anum enso ye jati fita na sebi o de mafa